Physiology case-based questions. Mithran, a 29 years old marathon runner had excessive practice session. During the run, there is an increase in his splanchnic vascular resistance. Which receptor is responsible for this? Options: A. Alpha 1, B. Alpha 2, C. Beta 1, D. Beta 2. Answer is A. Alpha 1. Next question. Yograjan, a 41 years old hospitalized patient, has an ejection fraction of zero point 0.4, a heart rate of 95 beats per minute, and a cardiac output of 3.5 liters per minute. What is the end diastolic volume of this patient? Options: A. 15 milliliters, B. 41 milliliters, C. 60 milliliters, D. 92 milliliters. Answer is D. 92 milliliters. Next question. Mohammad Rafiq, a 40-year-old male, presents to the emergency room after being shot in the arm during military training exercise. His shirt is soaked through with blood. He has a blood pressure of 70/40ths, a heart rate of 132, and his skin is pale, cool to the touch, and moist. This patient is most likely experiencing all of the following except. Options: A. Confusion and irritability, B. Decreased preload, C. Increased stroke volume, D. Decreased sarcomere length in the myocardium. Answer is C. Increased stroke volume. Next question. Joseph Raj, a 51-year-old man, presents to the ED with sudden onset chest pain, profuse sweating, and pain radiating to his left shoulder. He has sent elevations on his ECG and elevated cardiac enzymes. Concerning his current pathophysiology, which of the following changes would you expect to see in this patient? Options: A. No change in cardiac output, increased systemic vascular resistance. B. Decreased cardiac output, increased systemic vascular resistance. C. Decreased cardiac output, decreased venous return. D. Increased cardiac output, increased systemic vascular resistance. Answer is B. Decreased cardiac output, increased systemic vascular resistance. Next question. Rukmani Devi, a 52 years old woman, has a pulmonary embolism that completely blocks blood flow to her left lung. As a result, which of the following will occur? Options: A. VQ ratio in left lung will be 0. B. VQ ratio in left lung will be less than the right lung. C. Alveolar PO2 in left lung is equal to PO2 of inspired air. D. Alveolar PO2 in the right lung is equal to PO2 in venous blood. Answer is C. Alveolar PO2 in left lung is equal to PO2 of inspired air. Next question. Yashveshwar Singh, a 41-year-old patient, is recovering from acute lung injury following a diffuse pulmonary viral infection. The cell type responsible for the regeneration of the patient's alveolar epithelium is also functions in. Options: A. Protease release, B. Phagocytosis, C. Mucus secretion, D. Surfactant secretion. Answer is D. Surfactant secretion. Next question. Rajgopalan, a 41-year-old male with a history of uncontrolled DM, is referred to a nephrologist for evaluation of the possibility of early-stage kidney failure. Which of the following substances would be the best for estimating his renal plasma flow value? Options: A. Creatinine, B. Inulin, C. Glucose, D. Paraminohip PAH. Answer is D. Paraminohip PAH. Next question. Esha, a 41-year-old woman, presents to ED with acute onset abdominal pain radiating to her back, nausea, and vomiting. CT scan suggests a diagnosis of acute pancreatitis. The pathogenesis of acute pancreatitis relates to inappropriate activation of trypsinogen to trypsin. Which of the following activates trypsin in normal digestion? Options: A. Amylase, B. cholecystokinin, C. Enterokinase, D. Secretin. Answer is C. Enterokinase. Next question. Mukesh, a 37 years old male is diagnosed with Zollinger-Ellison syndrome, ZES. Which of the finding is consistent with the diagnosis? Options: A. Decreased serum gastric levels, B. Increased serum insulin levels, C. Decreased parietal cell mass, D. Increased parietal cell mass. Answer is D. Increased parietal cell mass. Next question. Mrs. Sarita Bipun, a 49 years old woman, has hypocalcemia, hyperphosphatemia, and decreased urinary phosphate excretion. Injection of parathyroid hormone causes an increase in urinary cyclic AMP. What is the probable diagnosis? Options: A. Vitamin D toxicity, B. Vitamin D deficiency, C. Primary hyperparathyroidism, D. Hypoparathyroidism. Answer is D. Hypoparathyroidism. Next question. Mrs. Girija Ramcharan, a 33 years old obese woman, has hyperglycemia, hirsutism, muscle wasting, and increased circulating ACTH levels. What is the probable cause of her symptoms? Options: A. Addison's disease, primary adrenocortical insufficiency, B. Cushing disease, primary ACTH overproduction, C. Pheochromocytoma, D. Treatment with exogenous glucocorticoids. Answer is B. Cushing disease, primary ACTH overproduction.